Artificial intelligence, or AI as we like to call it, is everywhere these days. It's in our phones, our cars, and even in our kitchens. AI is making our lives easier and more exciting. One of the most talked about AIs is ChatGPT. It's a chatbot that can hold conversations, write stories, and even compose music. You might have heard of AI before, but ChatGPT is different. It's not just following instructions, it's actually understanding and using language like we do. This is a big deal because it means we can now have natural conversations with machines. Imagine asking your computer to write you a poem about a cat wearing a hat, and it does it, with rhymes and everything. That's the power of ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart friend who can talk about anything and everything. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Simply put, it's a computer program designed to chat with you. But it's not like those old chatbots that gave you pre-programmed responses. ChatGPT is much more advanced. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data, which allows it to understand the nuances of human language. This means it can generate text that is not only grammatically correct, but also engaging and relevant to the conversation. Think of ChatGPT as a student who has read every book in the library. It has absorbed all this information and can now use it to answer your questions, tell you stories, or even write you a song. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes ChatGPT so exciting. It's like having a world of knowledge at your fingertips, ready to answer any question you throw at it. Now, you might be wondering, how does ChatGPT work its magic? Well, it all comes down to something called a neural network. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Imagine a network of interconnected dots, each representing a piece of information. ChatGPT uses this network to process language and generate responses. As it learns from new data, the connections between these dots become stronger, making it even smarter. When you type something into ChatGPT, it breaks down your text into individual words and phrases. Then it uses its neural network to analyze the relationships between these words and understand the meaning behind them. Based on this understanding, it generates a response that is relevant and coherent. It's like solving a puzzle, but instead of pieces, ChatGPT uses words to form meaningful sentences and paragraphs. The more you chat with it, the better it gets at understanding your language and providing accurate and insightful responses. Section 4. ChatGPT's hidden talents, more than meets the eye. ChatGPT isn't just a one-trick pony, it's got a whole bag of tricks up its sleeve. Sure, it can write you a poem or tell you a joke, but did you know it can also translate languages, summarize complex articles, and even write computer code? You see, ChatGPT's abilities go far beyond just generating text. It can analyze and understand information, making it a powerful tool for a variety of tasks. For instance, imagine you're struggling to understand a complex scientific paper. You can simply ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you in simple terms. Or, let's say you're traveling to a new country and need help translating a menu. ChatGPT can help you with that too. These are just a few examples of ChatGPT's hidden talents. As developers continue to explore its capabilities, we can expect to see even more innovative and useful applications emerge in the future. Section 5. ChatGPT in action, from poems to recipes. Let's bring ChatGPT down to earth with some everyday examples. Imagine you're throwing a party and need some creative cocktail recipes. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas, specifying your preferred flavors and spirits. Voila! You've got a list of unique and delicious cocktails to impress your guests. Or let's say you want to surprise your loved one with a heartfelt poem but lack the knack for rhyming. ChatGPT's got you covered. Just give it a theme and some keywords, and watch it weave words into a beautiful and touching poem. Remember those times when you're stuck on a tricky crossword puzzle? ChatGPT can be your digital crossword buddy, providing hints and even solving those head-scratching clues. From composing emails to generating creative content for your social media, ChatGPT can be your personal assistant, making your life easier and more efficient. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination.